Good morning, my dear friends. Balaவின் குரல் means the voice of Bala is my YouTube channel, and I am going to talk about book recommendation today. Books are our friends. By reading books, we come to know about many things in an informal way. So, it is a very good habit to read books, either fiction or non-fiction. Both type of books you ought to read. I have been writing many reviews, recommendations for reading in my Facebook, in my pratilipi.com website, but there is always a complaint from my friends that I am writing some 40 years or 50 years old books. But what to do? That's what I have read and enjoyed. So I have been writing about books which I have read some 40 years back. I probably started reading direct English books in 1980 or 75 to 1980, in that period. Before that, I was reading a lot of Tamil books. And in my hometown, Kuttalam, there was a library, and that librarian was very friendly with me. That library was supplied with new books at that time, and he has to make a log of all those things for issuing those books to the public. So I helped him in a small way in writing all those things in the stock register of the library. Around that time, a friend of my father, his name was Krishnan Kuti Nayar. This gentleman gave me an English book to read. I think probably it was written by Hadley Chase, 79 Park Avenue, maybe. That was my first English book. Later I went to Bangalore to join India Meteorological Department. I was staying with my elder sister in her in-laws house for nearly 1.5 years. And in their house there were a lot of books. But they were all really old books. I could get a lot of Earl Stanley Gardner's novels, especially those novels of Perry Mason, Della Street or Stellard Street, I don't remember now, and Lieutenant Drake, Hamilton. So like that, so many characters repeatedly coming in many of his novels or her novels. Then I used to read books like The Mayor of Castlebridge, Pride and Prejudice, Jane Austen's books. Still, I have not talked about all those things in my either in my Facebook writings or in my YouTube videos. They are all, you can call classics. They are all classics. And later, my friends started giving me books of Arthur Haley. I almost read all of them, all of his books. And about some of them I have written in my Facebook. Then came Irving Wells, Maurice Rest, Leon Uris, Eric Van Lesbader, Like that, it went on. But after some time, I stopped reading English novels and I was concentrating on the classical Tamil literature more. So, naturally, when I write or speak about book recommendation, my choices go to the books written in 1960s, 50s, like that. But the younger generation friends or my, you can call in a way, my students, they are all telling, in this way you will recommend Ramayana and Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita and all as a old book to read. So say something about modern books, sir. So this time I have taken a novel written in 2010. So almost modern, isn't it? This novel is not a single novel. It is actually a trilogy, 3 novels together. So now you might have guessed what I am going to talk. It is about the Shiva trilogy of Amish Tripathi. So he has written these books he started writing this trilogy in 2010. 3 books he has written: The Immortals of Meluha in 2010, The Secret of Nagas, that was released in 12th August 2011. Then The Oath of Vayuputras was released in February 2013. Younger generation as well as my old friends, I would like to tell you that these are novels. The title is Shiva Trilogy. See, something related to Shiva, that you can understand. Okay, it has nothing to do with Hindu mythology. It has nothing to do with Shiva Purana or any story related to Shiva. These 3 are novels, just novels. Just keep it in mind, because after reading all these things, you will get confused with the Hindu mythology, Shiva Purana, stories related with Shiva, Lord Ganesha, Lord Muruga, Shakti Ma. All these things you will get confused, and finally you will think whatever Amish Tripathi has written is what really happened in the very good olden days. But not like that. This is a novel story, that you keep it in mind. Actually, this man did not get any sponsor or seller for selling his first book, The Immortals of Meluha, which he released in 2010. And after the first week, second week, the sales started picking up, and by the end of 6th week, almost all the copies, about 50,000 copies, have been sold out. The publisher who published it could not handle the sale, so they transferred the rights to some other very big publisher, and he released the book. For that, he arranged one release function also. The next 2 novels was advanced booked. Before publishing, 50,000 to 1 lakh copies of the book has been advance booked for him, and all the 3 novels together have sold nearly 2.5 million copies, which is something very, very great as far as a writer is concerned. So, I am going to talk about the Shiva trilogy. The first book is Immortals of Meluha. As I told, this was released in 2010. The second book is The Secret of Nagas. This was released on 12th August 2011. The third book is The Oath of Vayuputras, which was released in February 2013. Let us see each book one by one in our next videos. Thank you.